because I get to put on my PJs to end my day.
All my pajamas are colorful and bright, and when it's time to go to bed, I party through the night.
But there are things that must be done before we go to bed, like take a bath and wash yourself from toe to head.
And don't forget, before you sleep, you have to brush your teeth in and out, side to side, above and underneath.
Get your wiggles out and pick up all your clothes and toys. You can have a little fun, but don't make too much noise.
So when my mother calls, I listen and obey, because emergent orders must be followed right away.